It's Coat Coach here. We're looking at zip wall system. This is a good zip system. It's good flashing instead of house wrap. Best thing again is to always check with the manufacturer's installation instructions. But what you do is you have your seams here and they roll their seams. All their edges have to be sealed. You see how this is still kind of a little loose? You really want to make sure it's sealed off good. See how that comes in there and really sticks to it? You want to make sure your product is dry and that it really adheres to the material and rolls on tight, because that again is what's going to give you your best sealant, and that way product warranty is not voided. But it's just another way of doing things. Again, not the only way, not the right way, but just another way. But just be mindful, like I said, if you're going to do a zip system, is that it's sealed really well, and that's really what we're looking for with that. All your seams are taped and sealed well.